Hey, what's going on everyone? Shiva Sapata here with another Tesla accessory review. Today we have a very interesting but useful product. This is this rim case for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y wheels. And having a Tesla Model 3 for about 5 years now and that Model Y for about 6 months, probably the curve rashes are inevitable for Teslas because the Tesla wheels are so further out that any close contact, drive-thrus, ATMs at the bank, garages, or even just curbs while you are trying to parallel park. You think you have space and then all of a sudden you hear that grinding noise and it just breaks your heart because those expensive wheels on your Teslas now just got ruined with the curve rash. So MacBook came with an interesting product to solve that issues. These are these brackets that you can install directly on your wheels, and then every time you go through a curve and there is a curve rash, instead of damaging your wheels, you just scratch these brackets that you install. So it's almost like a more affordable insurance for your expensive wheels. Unfortunately, this is only applicable for Model Y 20-inch induction wheels and 21-inch Uber turbine wheels, or if you have a Model 3, these are the Model 3 20-inch Uber turbine wheels. So unfortunately, those are the only wheels that are compatible for this product as of now. At the moment, I do not have any compatible wheels. Between the two cars, my Model Y has a 19-inch induction wheels and my Model 3 has a 18-inch aero wheels. I wanted to make you aware that this product exists, where to get it, how to install it, and all of that in the video. All right, let's see what comes on each of these cases. Of course, they send you a set of 4 for the 4 wheels, and when we remove this first case, which we got the adhesive removed earlier, they give you this notice right here to look at the installation guides and add the protective film over here, and they give you a full detailed installation guide with pictures on where to install this, all of that. They send you this protective films for both the top and the middle, and then they send you all this alcohol wipes for cleaning the wheels before you install it, because that's very important. This is going on a wheel. You want to make sure that the wheel is very, very clean so this don't fall off during your ride. And basically, they got this adhesive covers here, and they have this unit. So this is, of course, the one that has the valve cover in there. And the basic idea is you just kind of go around by attaching this. So it's not a difficult install. You just align this piece here, and then you go around attaching it. And this piece, if you look at it, this piece actually snaps into the wheel. So they send you a pry tool here where you can put this inside the wheels and then you just match it. But the basic idea is super simple. You just kind of go around snapping this in place. So it would basically do this, right? So you got that valve cap over here, and then it would just go make a complete circle around the wheel, and this matches the Uber turbine wheel finish so that it looks like it came with the wheel and attached to the wheel, but this is the product that is going to protect you from curve rashes. Here's a detailed installation guide directly from MacBook. First, clean the surface thoroughly, then apply the smaller adhesive strip on top of the spoke. Apply the larger adhesive strip in the wide areas in between the spokes. Having some air bubbles is normal. Then remove the back adhesive and install the air valve piece. Install the rest of the pieces by just snapping them into the wheel. Install counterclockwise for Uber turbine and clockwise for induction. The final piece can be installed using the pry tool they provided. Now if you grind your wheels against the curb, it will just damage the new rim case and not the actual wheel. So what do you all think about this product? Sorry I couldn't demonstrate the full installation guide and actually product in action myself, which is a typical process in our channel, but I did wanted you to know that this product existed in case you were looking for an alternative to not having anything or having a wheel cover that does the curb protection. So this product does exist from MacBook, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll pass those along to MacBook. Thank you very much for your continuous support to the channel. We have so many more Tesla accessories coming soon. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and come back again.